Ready to generate passive income with Leonardo AI? I've identified 3 reliable strategies to earn money utilizing Leonardo AI. The third strategy is the most profitable, so stay tuned to discover how to earn $10,000 monthly. With Leonardo AI, producing and selling AI art has become remarkably easy. This popular AI tool can serve as a potent passive income stream, and after extensive effort, I have now mastered these top 3 methods for earning passive income. Now, I want to share with others how they can earn using this amazing AI app. There is one crucial rule to ensure you can start making money after watching this video. You must watch it until the end. Leonardo AI has surpassed Midjourney with impressive, versatile, and visually appealing AI-generated images, even outperforming Midjourney. While Midjourney has restricted its commercial license to paid subscribers only, Leonardo offers full commercial rights to both free and paid subscribers, making it the superior AI tool. After creating a free account, you can create and sell your own AI art, or even use AI art for commercial purposes. If you don't have a Leonardo AI account yet, you can follow the step-by-step guide provided at the end of this video. Method 1. The first method involves creating short AI videos to upload on social platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Upon signing up, you will be directed to the homepage, where you can access a wide range of art that you can generate with the AI. To create your AI image, click on Image Generation on the left. Choose the fine-tuned model you prefer and specify how many images you would like to create from a single prompt. Then, write a prompt in the top bar and click on Generate. Download the images once received. This is the simplicity of Leonardo AI. You don't have to exert much effort as it is extremely user-friendly, allowing anyone to easily master the creation of AI art. A complex prompt is unnecessary. A simple sentence is sufficient for Leonardo AI to generate stunning images. To transform these generated images into a video, I suggest utilizing Kyber, an excellent AI tool. Similar to Midjourney, Kyber offers more remarkable features that enhance the visual appeal of your creations. Visit kyber.ai and log into your account. Next, click on Create Video, located on the right side of the screen. Select Animate Image. Describe your desired video and style in the prompt bar and choose the previously created pictures. Click on Video Settings. Here you can set up the duration, level of stability, model, and version motion of your video. Then click on Generate Previews. The video generation process may take a few minutes, so remain patient as it crafts an attractive AI masterpiece. Once the video is created, download it and share it on your social media platforms. Now, there is a tip I want to share with you for optimal video performance. Consider incorporating background sounds or a voiceover. Videos with voiceovers tend to attract more viewers. While various apps are available for this purpose, I recommend using Speechify for its human-like, natural voices that can significantly enhance your video content. The free version of Speechify is sufficient for use, but keep in mind the word limit for pasting text and input it in paragraphs to avoid missing any voice recordings during the process. Finally, merge all elements by using a video editor, importing the generated AI video, adding the voice recording, including captions if desired, and applying effects to enhance the video's appeal. It might take 10 to 15 minutes, but the results will be excellent. Download the edited video once you finish according to your preferences. Upload it to any social platform. Like YouTube, the key is to share trending content to potentially go viral. The more viral your video becomes, the greater your earnings. If video creation isn't your forte, consider my second method. Method 2. Do you know many freelancers are earning money by creating AI images? Using this method, you can earn up to $250 monthly by selling AI images. To attract buyers, focus on creating appealing, trending images. Gain inspiration from platforms like Etsy to understand popular image themes and high-demand categories. A tip I would like to give here is creating AI images related to upcoming festivals, events, or seasons for added market appeal. For example, if Christmas is approaching, you'll notice a surge in people purchasing AI artwork related to it on various platforms. Use ChatGPT to craft a compelling prompt for generating viral Christmas-themed images. Next, paste the prompt into Leonardo AI to produce captivating AI artwork. Feel free to make adjustments as needed, or your masterpiece is good to go for selling. Platforms such as Etsy, Saatchi Shopify, and Redbubble are excellent options for selling your AI creations. Simply create an account, upload your PNG format images, and you're all set. Remember to include top-ranking keywords to boost visibility and enable quick purchases by buyers. Leveraging print-on-demand services is a lesser-known but effective method to monetize AI artwork. Your creations can be printed on a range of items, such as mugs, shirts, keychains, and more. Join a website or online store for this service, where they will handle the printing of your art on accessories for sale to customers. You will be amazed at the potential earnings this holds. Before we move to the most important method, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can watch similar reviewing videos next time. Method 3. This is the moment you all have been eagerly anticipating. As mentioned earlier, the third method offers the potential for generating passive income. By utilizing Leonardo AI and ChatGPT, you can establish an animation storybook venture. It demands minimal effort and has the potential to yield up to $10,000 monthly. To create an animation storybook, visit openai.com and access ChatGPT. Craft a prompt for generating a title for your book, such as "Create a title for a children's storybook," to spark creative ideas. Follow up by providing additional prompts to develop your story further. Proceed by outlining the story, using a prompt to create a chapter outline based on your title for insights into multiple chapters. Copy and paste this outline to request a narrative centered around the chapters, generating the complete story. Once you have the story, utilize Leonardo AI to convert it into animated visuals. Log in to your account, access the AI image generator, and input the content of the first chapter in the prompt box. Adjust the prompt as needed. Beneath the prompt bar, utilize the Add Negative Prompt option to exclude any undesired elements in your images. Then, click on Generate to produce images aligned with your story. Repeat this process for each chapter to generate a complete set of images. Next, merge the images with the text by visiting canva.com, searching for Storybook in the search bar, and selecting a preferred format. Upload all images and overlay the text onto them. Customize and position the text as desired. Then save the composition. Choose a book cover template from the search bar and make necessary adjustments. Finally, save and download the file in PDF format. A valuable tip to consider is proofreading your book to ensure it is free of errors or mistakes, especially given that AI is involved in the creation process. Once you have verified everything, your book is prepared for sale. Publish it on platforms such as Amazon, Payhip, and Podia to begin generating passive income. The more books you release, the greater your earning potential. It's a fantastic idea, isn't it? Leveraging Leonardo AI, you could potentially earn $200 to $300 monthly with minimal effort. The 3 methods I shared can lead to wealth and success. But how do you sign up for Leonardo AI? This is the most crucial part of the video. To sign up for Leonardo AI, follow these steps. Visit Leonardo AI and select Create an Account. Click on Sign Up. Complete the sign-up process by providing your email and password, then verify your account using the code sent to your email. Choose a username, select an interest, confirm that you are above 18 years, and click Next. Click Start using Leonardo. After signing in, you will receive 150 credits for image creation. Thank you for your attention till the end. If you found this video helpful, please help me like, share this video, subscribe to my channel, And don't forget to leave your comments below about the AI tools that you need me to review. These small actions are great motivations for me to make more useful videos. See you again in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.